A controversy has erupted after a tragic accident involving the Kanchenjunga Express, which has reportedly led to 10 deaths in West Bengal. Now, following this accident, a journalist on ground spoke to some of the locals who happened to be the first to reach the spot of the accident. However, a snippet of his interview with them has gone viral, stoking up a controversy. First, let's take a look at the video wherein the journalist speaks with the locals.
क्या हुआ था, कैसे आप लोग को मालूम चला उधर भी ये हुआ?
पूरा जोर से एक तो आवाज आया। हम लोग साइड में ही नमाज पढ़ रहा था। जब हम लोग का नमाज खत्म हो गया,
एक एक करके
नमाज जब खत्म हो गया, खत्म होने के साथ ही साथ पूरा जोर से एक आवाज हुआ। पूरा माटी हिल रहा था। तब हम लोग पूरा गया, दौड़ के गया तो देखा 2 ट्रेन टकरा हुआ है और
एक खड़ा था, एक पीछे से
जाके टक्कर मार दिया।
कितना बजे हुआ है करीबन?
8:30 बजे।
Now, while talking to the journalist, the locals explain how they heard a crashing noise after. Let your focus remain on after the Eid prayers were concluded, after which they rushed to the site of the accident to help those who had been injured. Now, all seems fine until now. A controversy has erupted after Tamil Nadu's Hindu Makkal Katchi, a right-wing Hindu nationalist party, responding to the interview, said that even if the accident had happened on Diwali, they too would have gone and helped, but not after their puja, but by abandoning it, and that they would not celebrate the next year as a sign of respect and that it's a Hindu tradition. Now, remember when I asked you to keep your focus on the words after the Eid prayers were done? Yes, that is what the locals have told the journalist on ground. Mohammad Zubair, fact-checker, co-founder of Alt News, took to X and responded to the Hindu Makkal Katchi's tweet. He said, "Don't think you understand what they said in the video. They rushed to the accident spot soon after they heard the sound of the train accident after the Eid prayer was over." With this tweet, it looks like the Hindu Makkal Katchi have tried to polarize the accident, paint it with colors of religion and divide. Now, what is the Hindu Makkal Katchi? Hindu Makkal Katchi, literally meaning Hindu People's Party, also pronounced as Hindu Makkal Katchi, is a right-wing Hindu nationalist party from the state of Tamil Nadu. The organization was set up by Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh as a front for its political activities in Tamil Nadu. Its formation served as the platform for RSS and its subsidiaries known as the Sangh Parivar. Hindu Munani, the parent organization of Hindu Makkal Katchi, was set up by Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh as a front for its political and communal activities in Tamil Nadu. Now, Tamil Nadu was free from the political influence of RSS, which was trying to influence the state since the early 1980s. Hindu Munani organization was founded in 1980 by Rama Gopalan, a member of the RSS. The organization has ever since promoted a Hindu communal identity and used it as a political mobilization strategy. In the early 1990s, the AIA-DMK Jayalalitha government from 1991 to 1996 tilted towards Hindutva in reaction to the vote bank politics of the DMK. The Jayalalitha-led government supported the activities of the Hindu Munani in organizing Vinayaka Chaturthi processions in major cities of Tamil Nadu. Now, the state government support of Rama Gopalan's activity made him a follower of Jayalalitha. Due to this proximity, a faction of the Hindu Munani broke away and formed another group named as Hindu Makkal Katchi under the leadership of S.V. Sridhar in 1993. The activities of the RSS, Hindu Munani and Hindu Makkal Katchi continued uninterrupted under Jayalalitha. The BJP alliance with AIA-DMK led to further spread of RSS ideology in Tamil Nadu. These organizations used religious festivals to combine their strength and caused riots at some point. Due to various extremist actions, the party was repeatedly in conflict with the law. Its leader, Arjun Sampath, was arrested in 1997 on an attempted murder charge. Arjun Sampath continues to be the leader of the Hindu Makkal Katchi till date. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain and you are watching India Today So South.